Hi Robert.
Hi.
Okay, why did you attend this workshop this weekend?
I wanted to learn more about bodywork. I had some introduction to it, but I wanted to really delve deep into it.
And what did you expect?
I expected to learn exactly that. Yeah, that's what I actually expected.
And what actually happened for you?
I learned all that, but the experience was much more than than only the bodywork. Like I got so much out of it. It was amazing experience.
Um, what was your favourite part?
Uh, I think that the whole in itself was the best thing. Like every exercise, every activity that we did, they merged together, and like realization after realization just hits you.
Excellent. Why should someone else come to this workshop?
Uh, because your life will never be the same in a good way. It's it's so transformational. Actually transformational, not like some empty claims, but actually.
Huh. And would you come again?
Absolutely. Yeah.
Brilliant. Thanks Robert.
Thank you.